Hello everyone, welcome to TUTORIEX. This will be my 11th video. I guess this will be the last video of this playlist. In previous video I talked about the basics of the extension because this is the Chrome extensions 101, right? Just to get you started. So what is background script, what is manifest, what is all kind of scripts there, how you can what is this, how you can send message back and forth, and how you can communicate between all the scripts. You will get to know about those if you see all the videos from the beginning, like it's numbered, right? Video 1, video 2. So just follow the order and watch those videos, you will get to know about this. So in last video I'll just talk about, you saw this code commented out since I think I was trying to create this in previous videos. So I'll just uncomment this, and let's duplicate, like Control D. This is my shortcut, context menu 2. What is context menu actually? It's the thing what appears when you go to your website and click your right click. So for that you need permissions also. So in manifest you can see these permissions, and when I talk about permissions, there are lots of permissions, right? Scripting, you need it for when you're trying to script, like run a script in a content script in your website. Tabs you need for getting the detailed information of a tab when you need it, like when I do that thing chrome.tabs.query, right? I'm trying to query a tab. So when you print that, I'll try to print, I guess, here. Right. Let me comment this stuff out, and chrome dot okay tabs dot query active true. So I'll not do this. I'll console log the tabs 0. I'll just print out the tab 0. Okay, first let me do it without the tabs permission. Permission. Okay, I'll remove the permission, and this permission, like active tabs and bookmarks, you know, right? I already showed you in previous videos. Let's try the context menu first. Okay, go to this, refresh. Let's see. Oh, you see demo extension, and there's like sample context menu, let me change the name so you'll see the difference. Where is it? Background script, sample context menu 1 2 3 4, sampling context menu, whatever. So if I save this and refresh, you'll see so that's how you can create a sample context menu. And when you click, there's a listener also. You can create something like chrome dot context menu on clicked add listener. You can write some code like this, and when you click on that context menu, you'll get the output here. Okay, so let me refresh and click one of those context menu, and I'll see the output inside service worker. So based on that, maybe you can do something there. See, context menu 2 is clicked, and the tab details. Okay, see, this is the tab details. You can see this kind of things, all the stuff. Okay, and let me now add the tabs permission back. Okay, yeah, I'll just press Ctrl Z. Okay, and Ctrl S. Let me refresh. If you open this and inspect and console log, click me, I guess you get the same details or maybe something extra, I don't know. But in tabs permission there are lots of other things you can do, like you see, wait 1 minute, this is like tabs.move. like you can also capture the screenshot, right? You can also capture the tabs screenshot also. I guess somewhat, yeah. You see, capture visible tab, you can execute script, you can insert css, you can remove css. So these things you can do with the tabs permission. And like the things we are doing, just printing the details of the tab, I think you can do it with or without the permission. So you have to keep in mind this permission stuff, right? That's why I showed this example. So you can get the details of the tabs without the tabs permission. So when you create an extension and try to post it into Chrome developer store, and they'll ask you like explain, and you have to like justify what's the reason that you put this permission. Chrome will manually check, and you'll have to justify like, I put this permission because I have this use. So maybe you don't need that permission, like tabs permission right now. I just needed that info of the tab ID, so I don't need tabs permission for that. You can remove it. We can get it without the tabs. So if you don't need a permission, just don't add it. So add those permission that you actually need. And for the more information, I'll suggest best thing is just read the developer Chrome docs. This was just Chrome extensions 101. You can build so many more with this stuff. You have thousands of permissions, you have thousands of way to create, like use your own creativity and create something. You can also have, this is just pure HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Nowadays all the extensions are built on some kind of bundler. Like it's all built on React, right? Because you have, when you use React, you have options to have better CSS, better state management. You can use Tailwind CSS. So now all the extensions you see in the market, most like 98% is built on React. Even I am working on extensions that's already built on React and using some bundler like White and all. So that's the field, and you can try out. Maybe later in this channel I'll add more advanced video on this. So yeah, that's it for this video. Bye-bye.